Basically, what is happening is that in the area around the Ram Mandir, people from the BJP, office bearers from the BJP, workers of the BJP and the RSS, trustees, some of the trustees clearly, and some big officials of the BJP are buying and selling land to benefit themselves and actually using the trust money for this purpose. So the money from the Ram Mandir Trust is being basically misused to benefit government officials and members of the BJP and the RSS. There is a clear transaction here where a piece of land, which was sold in 2017 to a certain person, was then sold by that person in two parts. The first part, which was 10,000 square meters, was sold directly to the Ram Mandir Trust for 8 crores. The second part, which was 12,000 square meters, 19 minutes later, so we're talking about the same piece of land, we've sold one piece of it, 10,000 square meters, let's say at 6 o'clock. 19 minutes later, we are selling the second part of the same land, slightly larger part, 12,000 square meters, to a certain Ravi Mohan Tiwari for 2 crores. So you have a piece of land, half of it is going for 8 crores, the other half is going, slightly more than the other half, is going for 2 crores at the same time, approximately. 5 minutes later, this Mr. Ravi Mohan Tiwari is selling that 2 crore piece of land for 18.5 crores to the trust. Which means basically the trust is paying 8 crores plus 18.5 crores for a piece of land, which is probably just a little more than 2 crores. Who are the witnesses on these sale deeds? It's the mayor of Ayodhya and a trustee who has been the Sarsang Chalak of the RSS. I'll just read his name again because his name slips my mind. Anil Mishra and the mayor Sri Rishikesh Upadhyay. These are the witnesses to this sale deed. And it is within 5 minutes that it is sold to the trust from 2 crores to 18.5 crores. That means you've made a profit of 16.5 crores within 5 minutes. Who's making the profit? A BJP person. And this is happening repeatedly in the other transactions. So land has been illegally taken for this purpose by some officers. Basically what is happening is that in the area around the Ram Mandir, people from the BJP, office bearers from the BJP, workers of the BJP and the RSS, trustees, some of the trustees clearly, and some big officials of the BJP are buying and selling land to benefit themselves and actually using the trust money for this purpose. So people have given money for this trust from all over India. I have been to the houses, villages and houses of people in UP where women have told me that even the money, some of the money that they had saved up, out of that they have given to the trust. And it's being obviously blatantly misused and there's wholesale corruption happening. The other thing is that the UP government has apparently announced that it's going to hold an inquiry into this matter. But who is holding the inquiry? An officer of the level of the district magistrate. Now you have the mayor as a witness on a sale deed, and you are expecting, obviously you're not expecting any inquiry to happen because you have put a person of a district magistrate level in charge of the inquiry. So it's clear that no real inquiry is going to take place. What we are saying is, the trust was formed on an order of the Supreme Court. The inquiry should be done at that level. It should be done at the level of the Supreme Court.
ये वो सेल डीड है, इसकी कॉपी भी हम आपको भेज रहे हैं। इस पर बाकायदा चंपत राय जी ने राम मंदिर ट्रस्ट की तरफ से खरीदी। चंपत राय जी जो आरएसएस के पूर्व लीडर हैं और मोदी जी ने जिन्हें राम मंदिर ट्रस्ट का सचिव बनाया। और इस सेल डीड पर भी अनिल मिश्रा, ट्रस्टी राम मंदिर ट्रस्ट, और ऋषिकेश उपाध्याय, मेयर भाजपा अयोध्या के दस्तखत।